Hey everyone, hey, so I've been posting skateboarding and this, that, the other thing. I messed up. I messed up so bad that I jammed my toe. So I was at Stroudsburg Skate Park and they have, slabs of concrete with like just caulk in the middle. It's so ungratifying, and just in the midst, I don't know, in the middle of everything, I went for a big ollie. I stepped forward, but I had my larger shoes on, and it's my ear. It's my ear. Sideburn ear. So either way, in the middle of everything, I I jammed my toe. So my big shoes are 14 double wide. I'm like 6'1" on a casual stretch. I rest. I'm like 6 foot 5'11". And my big shoes, they're 14 double wide, and I get down to like 238. I get down to 239. I'm going lower. It's just I have to fluctuate so I don't go insane with how light I get, so I don't think I'm too young. And so I jammed my toe. And so I'll show you in a little bit, but I can't skate right now. But I was given advice. So as you can see, under my circumstances, this nice globe skateboard. But you can see when I stand on it, I mean the wheelbase touches the skateboard. The wheels touch the skateboard. I have wheel wells. It's like a 1950s Chevy over here. So I was told to tighten my trucks. So I'm going to tighten my trucks. I'm going to wear smaller shoes. Oh my gosh, these gouges are so deep. They are so deep. Oh man. And go from there. I mean, so there's no risers. I have to tighten my trucks. And then I'll, keep trying for the backside and the front side 180s, because I think the ollies will be easier. I can do an ollie. I can do a rolling ollie. I can do a rolling switch ollie. I mean, it doesn't look good, but I'm going to blame the trucks. I think that stability really, really, really would pick up on my skills. Would really help my skills. So, time to, yeah, it's kind of loose. So, I mean, no matter what I do when I'm on the board, it goes somewhere. So, I didn't show you myself tightening these. Let's go here. So, yeah, look at the difference. So that's that bushing. Look at that bushing. It's like a quarter of an inch taller. That's kind of difficult to tighten. I'm going to stop there. Then I'm going to go for this one. I'm going to pop this out for now. So yeah, this is a Spitfire skate tool. Huh? Look at that. Came with the board, I think. I don't think I paid extra. Yeah, because the only other thing that I have that's Spitfire is I have wax. I bought curb wax. I was looking at rails, but you know, like rail guards for the sides of the board. But I'm a heavy dude. You know what I mean? I'm afraid of losing integrity on the deck, so. So there are 6 threads showing on this one. I think. Yeah, it's kind of the same. I like it. I like the idea. Let's put this back. And quick stand up. I like that a lot more. I'm not all the way to the ground with it. You know what I mean? I'm probably going to go a little tighter, actually. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's go here. That's kind of so much nicer. I shouldn't ollie in the house. Oh man, this place is 100 years old. I have an apartment in a building, and yeah. So this is better for me. All right, so that was the skateboard. I needed to tighten that. I'm going to show you my foot. I haven't looked at it in a day or two. So, let's see what happens. Oh, dude. It kind of looks better. I'm burping Chinese food. So, I mean, you can kind of see it right here. Right here was all purple, man. I mean, along the side here, all purple. All purple. So, I'm feeling better, but I'm not 100%. Yeah, I'm feeling better, but I'm not 100%. I'm excited to get back. You're all really nice. It's just, I can't. So, I'll catch up with you all later. Thank you so much for the time. Have a good day.